Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Begin by locating Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Then choose Allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and if you wish to end then save it on the right one. Now name your recording however you wish to, and discard it right away by choosing Delete, or save it by hitting Save. To access a list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. To play one of them, click on the chosen one. If you wish to get rid of it, you can always go back, hold it, and select the Delete icon at the bottom. Then confirm a choice in the pop-up. In order to change file type, you need to click on this gear icon at the top right corner, choose File Type section, and pick wherever you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!